You know that stale bread that you have that you don't want to eat anymore because it's too stale? Well, let's make an amazing recipe with that stale bread. Now add your bread to a pan with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter and add all of your slices of bread. Add all the slices of bread and have them really neatly arranged. Now go ahead and turn the first slices and just watch how the bread absorbs the butter. And I am telling you, after you make this recipe, you are never going to throw bread away again. Now let's prepare the mixture. Okay, now we are going to add 4 eggs, add half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now just whisk everything very, very well to blend it all together. Whisk well for the egg to mix with all those seasonings. And you can add whatever seasonings you have at home. Feel free to get creative or just add your favorite seasoning that might be really calling to you. Oh, this is going to be very good. And after this is all mixed up, we're going to put this mixture on the bread rolls. I'll see how nice it looks. It's going to be a bread omelet. Now, let's fry on low and get it lightly browned. And go ahead and scrape the eggs off of the sides. And you can use a plate to help you flip it over, just like that. And wow, see how nice it looks underneath? Now go ahead and put it in the pan again. And while cooking, go ahead and add the mozzarella cheese. Now, if you're asking me, egg and cheese, perfect combination. I'm telling you, never throw bread away again. Now put and spread well all over the omelet. This is a quick recipe and it's ready in just 5 minutes. Now I recommend adding some small slices of tomato. Add all around very carefully. And let's just patiently wait until it finishes cooking and just make sure to melt all of that cheese. Now add some more oregano. That oregano just gives it some extra yummy, delicious flavor. Put the lid on and let it steam to help that cheese really melt. Wow, look how beautiful. The cheese is all melted. Ooh, it's going to be so, so yummy. Now put it on a large plate. I mean, I'm telling you, this bread smells so good and it just looks so very crispy. I mean, should we give it a try? Wow, it is so crispy. It looks amazing. It tastes amazing. Make this recipe at home. The mixture.